Hello students, let us continue chapter 13 Symmetry. In the previous class, we discussed about symmetry and solved exercise 13.1. Let us now discuss a new topic in today's class, figures with two lines of symmetry. अब line of symmetry क्या है? कोई भी फिगर अगर सिमेट्रिक है then we can draw a line through it such that we call the line of symmetry, because on either side of the line of symmetry we have shapes that are mirror images of each other. For example, consider this kite. Here when we draw a line like this, तो ये जो शेप है उसका एग्जैक्ट मिरर इमेज हमें दूसरे साइड पे भी दिखता है. सो हियर दिस काइट हैज़ अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. Here in this topic we are given two lines of symmetry. So there are shapes having two lines of symmetry. Consider a rectangle. You need to take a rectangular sheet of paper like a postcard. You need to fold it once lengthwise so that one half fits exactly over the other half. Is this fold a line of symmetry? And we are asked why. So यहाँ पे ये जो rectangle sheet है इसका first fold कुछ इस तरह से है. You need to open it up and then you need to fold it again on its width in the same way. And when you do so, you get a second fold. And we are asked, it is also a line of symmetry. Then why is it a line of symmetry? Here I have taken a rectangular card paper. When I fold it like this lengthwise, exactly so that corners touch each other, and when I fold it like so, I get a line, and this is one line of symmetry. In the similar manner, when I fold it widthwise like this, then I get the second line of symmetry over here. So a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. The next topic is figures with more than two lines of symmetry. Here we are asked to take a square piece of paper and fold it into half vertically. Next, fold it again into half horizontally. You have folded it twice. दो बार अभी हमने इसको fold कर लिया है. Now open out the fold and fold again the square into half for the third time now, but this time along a diagonal, जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Again you need to open it and again you need to fold it along the other diagonal like this. That is, we have folded it 4 times. Now you need to open out the fold and you can see that you are getting 4 lines of symmetry. How? I have a square card of paper. When I fold it like this is one way of folding it, the first way, like so. Then as you can see, the edges, they are overlapping, and this line over here, this is a line of symmetry. In the similar manner, we can fold it like so. Then also we are getting a line over here. This is also a line of symmetry. उसके अलावा जब हम लोग diagonally fold करेंगे इसको like this, then we get the third line of symmetry. अब टोटल कितने लाइन्स हुए? ये फर्स्ट लाइन, ये सेकेंड लाइन और ये थर्ड लाइन. इसके अलावा एक और डायगनल है, इस तरह से भी तो इसको फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. when we fold it like this diagonally, then we will have the fourth line of symmetry. So over here these are the 4 lines of symmetry in a square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the similar manner, we can construct figures having 2 or more lines of symmetry. Over here we have an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines of symmetry. Symmetry everywhere. Many road signs you see every day have lines of symmetry. Here are a few. So these are the road signs that we see every day, and they have lines of symmetry in them. The nature has plenty of things having symmetry in their shapes. Look at these. So the leaf, the starfish and the crab, they all have plenty of lines of symmetry. They are having symmetrical shapes like this. Then you can draw lines of symmetry for these shapes. The designs on some playing cards have line symmetry. Identify them for the following cards. So here you are given a card like this. If you draw a vertical line, then you can see that this is the line of symmetry for this card. In the similar manner, here also you can draw a vertical line and also a horizontal line. Then these are the lines of symmetry for this playing card. Here is a pair of scissors. How many lines of symmetry does it have? So here you are asked that how many lines of symmetry does a pair of scissors have? तो ये आप लोग को खुद से ट्राई करना है. ऐसे आप लोग जब एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री तो मिल रहा है. So you need to check whether you are getting more lines of symmetry or not. Let us now begin exercise 13.2, question number 1. Find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. So in this question we are given some shapes and we need to find the number of lines of symmetry. अगर ये given shape symmetric है तो हमें पता करना है कि ऐसे कितने lines of symmetry हम draw कर सकते हैं इस shape में. So as you can see here in the first shape we are given a square, right? And just like we saw, the number of lines of symmetry a square can have is 4. So here let me draw a line like this. First line, then these two parts are symmetric. It is called this line A. Next, if I draw a line like this, dividing this horizontally into two equal parts, and line B, then line B is also a line of symmetry. Next, if we draw a line diagonally like so, then these two parts are symmetric. We can call this line C, and over here we have the fourth line of symmetry, line D, like so. We can draw 4 lines of symmetry for the first figure. The name of the lines are A, B, C and D. In the next figure, when you draw a line vertically like this, ऐसे एक line जब draw करेंगे, then you can see that these two halves are symmetric. जो ये लाइन के इस साइड है वही उसी का मिरर इमेज लाइन के इस साइड भी है. So this is a line of symmetry. Let us call this line L. Next, horizontally another line can be drawn like so, and we can call this line M. Then this is also a line of symmetry. Again, a line can be drawn diagonally like this, calling it line N. Then line N is also a line of symmetry, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो इमेज लाइन N के ऊपर की ओर है वही इमेज का मिरर इमेज यहाँ पे आपको लाइन N के नीचे की ओर मिल रहा है. और दूसरे साइड में दूसरा डायगोनल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं somewhat like this. Yes. So calling this line O. Line O is also a line of symmetry for this figure, for this shape. So there are 4 lines of symmetry, L, M, N and O. In the similar manner, you can find the number of lines for figure C. In the next sub-question D, you are given a shape, and as we can observe, if I draw a line like this vertically, कि अगर vertically मैं एक line ऐसे draw करती हूँ, yes, like so, calling it line P, then these two halves are symmetric, है ना. जो इस साइड में है उसका जो मिरर इमेज है वही आपको दूसरे साइड में मिल रहा है. दैट इज this line P is the line of symmetry, but no more symmetric lines are possible, no more lines of symmetry is possible. Therefore P is the only one line of symmetry of the given figure. In the next part, we are given a hexagon, a polygon having 6 sides. So here, when I draw a line vertically like this, let us call this line W. So line W is a line of symmetry. It is very easy to observe this. Next, if I draw a line like this, a slant line like so, तो भी आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे ये जो शेप है उसी का मिरर इमेज यहाँ पे इस लाइन के नीचे भी है. सो हियर X is also a line of symmetry. Next, if I draw a line like this horizontally, then this is also a line of symmetry, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो टॉप पे जो आपका डायग्राम है उसी का मिरर इमेज आपको नीचे भी मिल रहा है on the next side of the line. And lastly, I can draw another slant line like this. And call it line Z. So line Z is also a line of symmetry for the very same reason. यहाँ पे जब line Z draw कर रहे हैं, so we are getting two halves having the same proportion, same balance. Therefore, we can say that lines W, X, Y, Z are the lines of symmetry. Are there any more lines possible? The answer to this question is yes. Next, if I draw a line over here like so, then here also you can see ये जो shape है or above the line, that the mirror image of that shape can be observed below the line. So this slant line, let us call this A. line A जो है उसके ऊपर की ओर जो इमेज है उसी का मिरर इमेज हमें यहाँ पर दिखता है. So that is why this is also a line of symmetry. In the similar manner, you can see over here, you can draw one more line like this. I'm going to call it B. So here line B is also a line of symmetry, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब आप ये line B को देखोगे तो it divides this into two parts such that both the parts are mirror images of each other. So it is symmetric. Therefore, W, A, X, Y, Z and B, 6 lines. The number of lines of symmetry are 6 for this given hexagon. जैसे हमने पार्ट ई में जो हेक्सागन दिया था उसमें नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री फाइंड किया, वैसे ही हम यहाँ पे भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो पार्ट एफ इज़ होमवर्क फॉर यू. ट्राई फाइंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री फॉर द शेप इन फिगर एफ. हियर इन पार्ट जी यू आर गिवन अ फिगर and this figure was there in exercise 13.1 as well. So यहाँ पे ये figure जो है ये symmetric नहीं है, because you can see if you draw a line like this, a vertical line, then you are not getting a mirror image of one part. In the similar manner, if you draw a horizontal line, then also आपको यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट मिरर इमेज जो है वो नहीं मिल रहा है. देयरफॉर ये जो फिगर है फिगर जी, इट इज़ नॉट सिमेट्रिकल. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट एच, you can observe that the figure given is not symmetrical, क्योंकि if we draw a vertical line of symmetry, then you are not getting the mirror image of this side on the other side, है ना. अगर इसका mirror image चाहिए तो आपको कुछ इस तरह से ऊपर की ओर ये शेप आना चाहिए, बट ये फिगर ऐसा नहीं है. सो हियर ऑल्सो द गिवन फिगर इज नॉट सिमेट्रिकल. इट डज नॉट हैव अ line of symmetry. And lastly, in the next figure, the shape given to us is symmetrical. सबसे पहले तो आप लोग यहाँ पे एक vertical line draw करके देख सकते हैं, like so. Then you can observe that this shape given in this figure is symmetrical. You can call this A1. ठीक है, A1 बुला सकते हैं. इस लाइन को हम अपनी मर्ज़ी से कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं. यू कैन कॉल इट ABCD और यू कैन कॉल इट A1, A2, A3. इट्स completely up to you. So here I am calling it A1. Next, if I draw a horizontal line like this, then I can observe that this will not be the line of symmetry. क्योंकि हॉरिजॉन्टली अगर हम इस फिगर को कट करेंगे तो हमें सिमेट्रिकल शेप्स नहीं मिलेंगे. बट इफ आई ड्रॉ अ लाइन लाइक दिस ओवर हियर, then it can be observed that the two portions are symmetric. क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी देखो exact mirror image आपको मिल रहा है. That is why this is also a line of symmetry, the second line of symmetry. The next line can be drawn like so. Over here, this is the third line of symmetry. तो यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ से ये पास हो रहा है. एग्जैक्टली जब इसको पास कराएंगे तो ये जो है ये शेप एग्जैक्टली एक दूसरे के मिरर इमेजेस होंगे. अब मैंने यहाँ पे 3 लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री तो दिखा दी. अब आप लोग को चेक करना है कि क्या और लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री पॉसिबल है. It is possible. There will be 6 lines of symmetry. So I have drawn 3 lines of symmetry over here. You need to draw 3 more lines of symmetry and complete this question. Question number 2. Copy the triangle in each of the following figures on squared paper. In each case, draw the line or lines of symmetry, if any, and identify the type of triangle. Some of you may like to trace the figures and try paper folding first. So here you are given 4 triangles. These are 4 different types of triangles. You need to copy these triangles on a squared paper just like we did for the questions in exercise 13.1, and in each case we need to draw the line or lines of symmetry. एक line भी हो सकता है, एक से ज़्यादा lines भी हो सकते हैं symmetry के. अगर हैं तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल कैसा है, कौन सा ट्राइंगल का टाइप है ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ करने के बाद. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रेस दीज फिगर्स और आप पेपर को फोल्ड करके चेक कर सकते हैं कि क्या ये सिमेट्रिकल है, क्या लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री हमें मिल रही है या फिर नहीं. हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट आई हैव कॉपीड द ट्राइंगल on a squared paper. Now I am going to draw the line of symmetry. As you can see, this is an isosceles triangle. Here 2 sides are of equal length because they are covering the same number of squares, and the third side is of a different length. So if I draw a line like so, I am going to draw a dotted line like this. Then here we can see that the 2 parts are mirror images of each other. So now completing this line, I can say that this line is a line of symmetry, line L. So यहाँ पे आप लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं, क्या डायगनली या फिर हॉरिजॉन्टली आप लोग अगर ट्राई करेंगे तो क्या आपको लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री मिल रही है. You can check it for yourself. The answer will be no, because here this triangle is an isosceles triangle, so it has only one line of symmetry. Line L is the only line of symmetry for the given figure. Just like we solved part A, you can solve part B In this case also the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. So जैसे हमने पहले केस के लिए लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ की थी, वैसे ही आप लोग यहाँ पर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री like this, you can draw a line of symmetry like this for this triangle, and you can give it the name you like. In part C, after copying the triangle given in figure, it can be observed that this figure is a isosceles triangle, but since here we can get a right angle, this is an isosceles right angled triangle. If a line is drawn like this, then it can be observed that the two parts on either side of the line are mirror images of each other. So call it line M. So line M is the line of symmetry for this figure. It is the only line of symmetry. No other lines of symmetry can be drawn for this isosceles right angled triangle. In the last part, part D, you're given a triangle. You can count the number of squares and you can see that this is a scalene triangle. That means all the three sides have three different measurements. So यहाँ पे line of symmetry draw करना possible नहीं है because this figure is not symmetric. Question number 3. Complete the following table. In this question, we are given a table and we need to complete this. Here we are given shape, the rough figure and number of lines of symmetry. The first shape is an equilateral triangle which can be drawn like this. And here we can see that the number of lines of symmetry is 3, which we have already discussed before. यहाँ पे equilateral triangle में 3 lines of symmetry possible है. The next shape is a square. तो हम लोग रफ फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, रोम्बस एंड सर्कल का, एंड देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री. So the first part is already given to us, equilateral triangle. There are 3 lines of symmetry. Next, let us discuss for square. So for a square, we have already seen this. We have already discussed this. This is the rough figure of a square, and we know that 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines of symmetry is possible for a square, as we have seen earlier in the previous example. So we can name this A, B, C and D. So these are the 4 lines of symmetry. So how many number of lines of symmetry are there for a square? It is 4. Next, considering the rectangle over here. In rectangle also, we can draw a line like so, and the two parts are mirror images of each other. Therefore, line L is the line of symmetry. In the similar manner, we can draw a horizontal line like this. This is also a line of symmetry, line M. तो क्या अभी डायगनली ये पॉसिबल है? तो डायगनली अगर हम लोग रेक्टेंगल में जब ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द मिरर इमेज ऑफ द portion that is on one side of the line of symmetry to the other side of the line of symmetry. That is why there are only 2 lines of symmetry in a rectangle. The next shape is an isosceles triangle, and we have already discussed this before. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में जब आप लोग ऐसा एक वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, लेट अस नेम दिस लाइन लाइन एन. सो लाइन एन इज़ द ओनली लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री फॉर दिस आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, क्योंकि आप लोग इस तरह से या फिर इस तरह से जब एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे या फिर वर्टिकली हॉरिजॉन्टली भी कोई एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो आपको यहाँ पे दोनों पार्ट्स का जो मिरर इमेज है वो दूसरे साइड में नहीं मिलेगा. सो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री इज़ 1. The next figure given to us, the next shape is rhombus. I have already drawn a rough figure of the rhombus, as you can see over here. Now, when you draw a vertical line like so, ऐसा एक वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आप देख ही सकते हैं कि ये जो है सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होगा. द सेम इज़ द केस व्हेन यू ड्रॉ अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये कुछ इस तरह से होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे ये जो है ऐसा फिगर जो है वो सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होगा. सो व्हेन यू ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस, yes, now you can see that both the parts on either side of this line, line S, are the mirror images of each other. Therefore line S is one line of symmetry. ऐसे ही दूसरी एक line हम draw कर सकते हैं diagonally. We can draw another line diagonally as well. Let us name it T. So line T is also a line of symmetry, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जिस तरह से ये shape है उसी का mirror image हमें यहाँ पर दिखता है. So for a rhombus the number of lines of symmetry is 2. You can try, but only 2 lines of symmetry can be obtained for a rhombus. The last shape is circle, and then our table will be completed. Over here, now if I draw a line like this, then this is divided into 2 equal parts, having being mirror images of each other. So yes, let us call this line x1. So line x1 is one line of symmetry. ऐसे ही horizontally एक line draw कर सकते हैं. I'm going to name this line x2. So line x2 is other line of symmetry, because you can clearly see that this is the mirror image of this part. So this is the second line of symmetry. अब diagonally draw करके देखते हैं. Diagonally भी जब हम ऐसे diagonal draw करेंगे, ऐसा एक line draw करेंगे, naming it x3. Then x3 is also line of symmetry, क्योंकि अभी भी आपको यहाँ पे 2 semi circles मिल रहे हैं जो एक दूसरे के mirror images है. Next, I can draw another diagonal x4. Then this is also a line of symmetry like this, because this is also dividing the circle into 2 semicircles which are mirror images of each other. अब ऐसे मैं यहाँ पर भी एक line draw करूँ like this, then also I am getting 2 semicircles. So basically we are drawing diameter, and infinitely many such lines are possible, because I can draw a line like this, I can draw a line like so. Similarly I can draw another line like this. अब ऐसे ही कई सारे lines जो है हम draw कर सकते हैं. It is possible to draw infinitely many such lines such that the circle will be symmetrical. So a circle has infinitely many lines of symmetry, or we can say a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. So in this way you need to write the solution in your notebook. Question number 4. Can you draw a triangle which has A. exactly 1 line of symmetry, B. exactly 2 lines of symmetry, C. exactly 3 lines of symmetry, and D. no lines of symmetry? So in this question we are asked कि क्या हम ऐसा एक triangle draw कर सकते हैं? In the first case we are asked exactly 1 line of symmetry. So yes, it is possible. You can draw an isosceles triangle like this, and it can be observed that if you draw it properly, since this is a rough figure, it can be observed that it has exactly 1 line of symmetry only. Next we are asked exactly 2 lines of symmetry. अब हमें पता है types of triangles. एक है isosceles जो अभी मैंने draw किया, it has exactly 1 line of symmetry. The next is an equilateral triangle which is given over here. It has 3 lines of symmetry. है ना. अगर हम एक equilateral triangle draw करेंगे तो 1, 2 and 3 lines of symmetry can be drawn. So this is just a rough figure, and consider the next type of triangle. Isosceles हो गया, equilateral हो गया. The next type of triangle is scalene triangle. That is right, a triangle having 3 sides of 3 different lengths. तो यहाँ पे ये एक लेंथ का है, ये दूसरी लेंथ का है और ये तीसरी लेंथ का है, यानी ये तीनों साइड्स जो है ये आपस में कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ अ स्केल एंड ट्राइंगल एंड दिस इज़ नॉट सिमेट्रिकल. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग कैसे भी ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री जो है वो नहीं मिलेगा. सो दिस ट्राइंगल हैज़ नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल दैट हैज़ एग्जैक्टली टू लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री, क्योंकि तीनों टाइप्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स हमने देख लिए, उनमें से कोई भी टाइप में हमें एग्जैक्टली टू लाइन्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. सो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ नो. नेक्स्ट, एग्जैक्टली थ्री लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री, ये ऑलरेडी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है. इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल हैज़ थ्री लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी आर आस्क्ड नो लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री. So you can simply draw an isosceles triangle like so, and this has no lines of symmetry. So just like we saw before, an isosceles triangle has exactly one line of symmetry. So draw a rough diagram of an isosceles triangle, and here line A is the only line of symmetry. Just like we discussed, we cannot draw a triangle having two lines of symmetry, so the answer is no. Next, an equilateral triangle has exactly three lines of symmetry. You can name them X, Y and Z. So these are the three lines of symmetry of an equilateral triangle. This is the rough diagram of an equilateral triangle, so the answer is yes. And lastly, here a scalene triangle is not symmetrical. As we all know now, it has no lines of symmetry. So the answer is yes, we can draw a triangle having no lines of symmetry. It is a scalene triangle. So in this way, you need to write the solution in your notebook. Question number 5. On a squared paper, sketch the following. तो आपको एक स्क्वायर पेपर लेना है और यहाँ पे आपको स्केच करना है ये. फर्स्टली, a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. In this case you need to sketch a triangle जिसका सिर्फ horizontal line of symmetry होना चाहिए, vertical line of symmetry should not be there. For the first part, we are asked to draw a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. That is, यहाँ पे I am going to draw my line of symmetry. So this line is going to be my line of symmetry, and I am going to draw a triangle that is having only one line of symmetry. We have already discussed this. An isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. So let us draw an isosceles triangle. Here I am drawing the first half like this, and in the similar manner drawing the mirror image of this. So यहाँ पे like this we have drawn our isosceles triangle having only horizontal line of symmetry. And when you try to draw a vertical line, it is not possible to draw a vertical line of symmetry. So it is an isosceles triangle with only a horizontal line of symmetry. In the next part, we are asked a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. तो आपको एक quadrilateral draw करना है such that it has a horizontal line of symmetry and a vertical line of symmetry. So we already know that kind of a figure. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं एक rectangle draw करूँ like so, I am drawing a rectangle. Yes. So as we have already discussed, a rectangle has only two lines of symmetry. First of all, it is like this, the vertical line of symmetry. Let us name this line A, and here we can have the horizontal, we can draw the horizontal line of symmetry, line B. So a rectangle is the quadrilateral having two lines of symmetry which is both horizontal and vertical. See, a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. तो अब आपको एक ऐसा quadrilateral ड्रॉ करना है जिसका horizontal line of symmetry तो होना चाहिए but वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, ऐसे लाइन का जो सिमेट्री है वो नहीं होना चाहिए। यानी कि इस बार 4 साइड्स तो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होना चाहिए, वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होना चाहिए। सो इट शुड नॉट बी अ स्क्वायर, इट शुड नॉट बी अ रेक्टेंगल, इट शुड नॉट बी अ rhombus as well. So we can draw a kite. It is a quadrilateral having 4 sides. Let us try to draw a kite over here like so. I'm joining these two parts, these two squares, and I'm joining these two squares. थ्री स्क्वायर्स, सॉरी, पहले 2 स्क्वायर्स को ज्वाइन किया, फिर इन 3 स्क्वायर्स को इस तरह से ज्वाइन कर लिया। तो ऐसे ही हम मिरर इमेज बना देते हैं ओवर दिस साइड, ऑन दिस साइड, सो लाइक दिस, एंड द फोर्थ साइड ओवर हियर लाइक सो. So this, let us name this L, is the only line of symmetry. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग इस तरह से वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो पार्ट आएगा उसका मिरर इमेज हमें यहाँ पर नहीं मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ अ काइट. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज़ अ काइट शेप. इट इज़ इन क्वाड्रिलैटरल with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. Next, a hexagon with exactly 2 lines of symmetry. We know that a regular hexagon has exactly 6 lines of symmetry, but इस केस में आपको एक ऐसा hexagon draw करना है which has exactly 2 lines of symmetry. We already know that a regular hexagon, that is a hexagon having all the 6 sides of equal length, has 6 lines of symmetry. तो अभी हमें एक ऐसा हेक्सागन बनाना है, यानी कि ऐसा पॉलीगन बनाना है जिसके 6 साइड्स तो होंगे, लेकिन लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री कितने होने चाहिए? इट शुड बी एग्जैक्टली 2. सो लेट अस कंसिडर अ वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री लाइक दिस. दिस विल बी 1 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. पहले लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, and this will be the second, that is the horizontal line of symmetry over here. Now we are going to draw a hexagon. यानी कि हमें एक quadrilateral ड्रॉ करना है, एक polygon ड्रॉ करना है जिसके 6 sides होंगे. So how will we do that? Now I am going to join these 2 sides like this, and I am going to join these 4 boxes like this. Again let us join these 2 like so. तो अब इसका मिरर इमेज बनाएंगे. 3 साइड्स तो हमने यहाँ इसको लाइन मान के 3 साइड्स बना लिए. नाउ रिमेनिंग 3 साइड्स कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? ऐसे इसका मिरर इमेज यहाँ बनेगा. इन द सिमिलर मैनर लाइक सो यू कैन ड्रॉ द मिरर इमेज. And lastly, let us join these 2 sides to complete the diagram. So over here, as you can see, considering M to be the line of symmetry, when M is the line of symmetry, then this part are mirror images of each other. And considering N to be the line of symmetry, तो जैसा यहाँ पर शेप है उसी का मिरर इमेज आपको यहाँ पर दिखता है. सो ओवर हियर वी हैव ड्रॉन अ हेक्सागन having exactly 2 lines of symmetry. In the next part, that is part E, you need to draw a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया, जो regular hexagon होगा that will have 6 lines of symmetry. So part E is homework for you. ये आप लोगों को खुद से ट्राई करना है. रेगुलर हेक्सागन ड्रॉ करना है, यानी कि एक क्लोज फिगर हैविंग 6 इक्वल साइड्स. सो दिस विल हैव, द फिगर विल हैव 6 लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री.